You're looking at a 25-ton Neff 2-post high-speed hydraulic press, serial number P9424.
Take a cruise around? Sure. Start with the front anyhow. Separate hydraulic unit from the press anyhow. Switchgear panels, pretty basic here. Transformer, one starter. Fuse block, takes care of that. Main motor. The valving back here. We got some books on top of the fan. You see it better from the other side. Manuals are all here. We have schematics. We're in pretty good shape on this stuff here. So, again, here's the thermal exchanger for the oil. And the main still, working our way back across. It's the press itself. It's got a regen circuit. It's a Neff. All the Neffs have that, I believe. We're stacked up about 8 inches right here for what it's worth, so you can put this in different areas because as you see the stroke isn't that great on this, so you can space this up or down depending on what size part you want. Right now, whoever ran it had 2-3 spacers in there. That whole thing just slides right out right there if you get a close-up of that. That's somewhat meaningful, so we're running about mid-range right now on the post, which is fine. They had a couple knockouts here for whatever they were doing, so for the parts to fall through. One E-stop, a T-bar with dual palms, static palms on there, and we're good to go. What I'm going to do is I'll fire up the hydraulics, but without trying to talk over the machine. This thing has a couple of different modes here. Besides run and jog, we'll do the jog mode. Jog brings us down on a block, and I can show you pressures up there. But we've got pressure or distance reversal. We'll do distance first, then I'll throw a block in there. We'll flip it over to pressure. We'll do some pressure reversal, and I'll do fast and slow. That's the regen circuit right there. Or you could just run it in slow-mo all the time, and you get full pressure, either way. So we'll start off with fast. We'll start off with distance reversal in an automatic run condition. Distance reversal is up here. Get a close-up of this, Harold, just so they know. It's pretty straightforward. Here's fast to feed or transition switch. This is top stop, transition, bottom stop. If you're using distance reversal, you're using these 3. Pressure reversal, of course, speaks for itself. It does not look for these switches whatsoever, okay? We'll fire up, and that's pretty much what we're going to do here. So we got to start right here. And distance from either side here. Hands and then walk over here and get those switches too. I'll go to jog. I'm sorry, slow. Same distance reversal. That's full load, slow. Back to fast. We can tighten this up a little bit. Right there. Now we're reversing a little bit later. Okay? And then we'll go to pressure. We get a block here. See what the tonnage is here. I'm not sure where we're at here. Let's see. I'm going to do pressure reversal. Yeah, we can run it down on jog and see where we're at. Let's see what the pressure is. We'll check it. Show the press moving too. Can you see the press too or no? So he sees what I'm doing. Then we'll get on the gauge. All right, so now moving on the gauge. That's about 1,500. 25, this thing's set up at 2,500 PSI, which is 25 tons, which is straight up. So there's 15, you can go a little bit more. 20, almost 25, that's 22. 12 o'clock straight up would be 25. Almost. Yeah, that's just about it right there. That's full pressure. Straight up is 2,500 pounds. which gives us a full 25 tons. That's the factory setting. So I'm going to hit it one more time. I'm going to back off now and go back into run and pressure reversal. I'm not taking my hands off now. Get my hands. You'll see the ham in my hands and the ram. I'm just holding it down there. You get both of these at once. Now I'm pulling away. I think anti-tie down works. Let's see. I don't know what it's timed out for. Let's try it again. Yeah, now it works. It's a little bit slow. It should be about 0.3 of a second. That's not bad, but it works. So this is all pressure reversal here. And if you catch the needle, it's broke off a little bit right here, but you'll see it whenever I hit the block. It'll hit temporarily at about 2,000. Yeah, you can kind of see that. If you come straight in on another angle, it's always better. Yeah. I'm going to lower it down now. See what we get now. See, it's a lot quicker. That's pretty much it there, so. And jog. Jog is right there. And back up again. That's it. Pretty much it. It's running at currently 480 volts, primary.